Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be inviting you guys to join the Craft Room and Space Organization Challenge. I'm hosting this with Courtney from Creative on the Cheap, and we are really excited about doing this. We actually thought about just doing a collab together and doing this, but we were like, why not invite everybody to do this? Because we need all the inspiration and help and hacks that we can get. So show us your craft room space. Show us how you organize it. If you want to do a room tour or a space tour, you can absolutely do that as well. You can kind of just, broaden your horizons with this whole challenge. I'm going to probably show you guys some tips and tricks I have for organizing what I have organized and some easy ways that I have kept it alive. My craft room is not organized at all by all means, but I have picked up a couple items that is going to help along the way, and hopefully it gives you guys some good inspiration. So here are the rules for the YouTube challenge invite. The first is mentioning Courtney in my channel in the playlist in your video. 2 is link both of our channels in a playlist in your description box. The 3rd is include Craft Room Organization Challenge in your title. The 4th, the video can be about craft room, your space tour, craft supply organization, DIYs, craft room, space organization, any of that. And the post date is Friday, March 20th at 5:30 p.m. Central Time. Also, if you guys don't have a YouTube channel, you can post on Instagram, and here are the Instagram rules for you as well. For Instagram, you have to mention at Creative on the Cheap and at KRISTINKAYFREE in your description box. Also mention a craft room organization challenge is being hosted on our YouTube channels. Tag your post or IGTV with Craft Room Organization Challenge. You can post pictures or use IGTV for your craft room, space tour, craft supply organization, DIYs. The post date is Friday, March 20th at 5:30 p.m. Central Time. I hate saying rules because it's not really rules, but it's just something that, so we're able to add your video to the playlist. Also, so we can see your photos or your videos on Instagram. So you guys, I am super excited about this. It is going to be going live on Friday, March 20th at 5:30 Central Time. I'm really excited, you guys, so I hope you guys can join in on this challenge with us. Give us some inspiration, help us out on organizing our craft space or room. Lord knows that all of us crafty ladies out there that have boxes and craft bins, and we all need some help. So any tips, tricks, hacks, anything is definitely appreciated on this challenge. Okay, so when I was editing my video just now, I realized that I didn't even tell you guys a whole lot about what is going on. So there's going to be a playlist live on March 20th. If you guys haven't joined these challenges or done these kind of type of collabs before, I'm going to leave the playlist link in this description box below with this video, so you're able to add your video to the playlist. But I am just going to show you guys my craft room before I get it organized. So here we go. This is real life, how, yeah. So I'm going to show you guys that. Here we go. I have a room. Here is my desk that I work on. I actually work on this. I actually print off my silhouette on here, and I just kind of move things around as I go. These were really well organized for a while, and they still kind of are. It's just stuff is falling out. Yeah, that is like, I still have Hello Fall up there. I probably should change that, maybe for the spring. I have this cart that I don't utilize like I should, so I want to find out some really good ways to organize that. And then I just have all of my flowers right here, and I kind of will probably just keep them there because my room's not that big. But yeah, so there's that. Here's these. This will probably stay because it's actually pretty nice. So yeah, this is the floor. This is a mess, a huge mess. So yeah, so I'm gonna be working trying to figure out how to organize everything here, make this better. I also have this over here that I think I just keep shoving stuff in, so I'm really going to be tearing everything apart and organizing. So I hope once you've seen my room that you aren't afraid to do your tiny space or a desk or a cart or anything like that. Like I said, the playlist is going to go live along with this challenge March 20th at 5:30 Central Time. So okay guys, I think I got it all now. So please join us, and we will see you Friday, March 20th.